Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be talking about math, not any type of math, but the old versus new math. Now you're wondering, what does that mean? So back in when my parents were in school, they taught math a very, very easy way. And now that we adopted some stupid thing called Common Core, we have new math, which is a much more complicated way to get to the same answer with the old math. If you let me just get my ground first. So, this is what you would do. In the old math, 2 plus 2 equals 4. That was pretty simple, because you know that when you have 2, 1, 2, use your fingers, and then you add another 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. So that's like kindergarten math, my friends, but that was the old math and how they taught it, just by fingers. This is the new way. Let's start here. 2 plus 2, which also means 1 plus 1, that will equal 2, and also 4 minus 4, oh crap. 4 minus 2 will equal 2. Also, 1 plus 1 will equal 2. I'm already confused. Then, we go to the number line. 1, 1 plus 1, 1 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And all of this they want you to learn will equal 2. Let me show you the old way for multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 2 is 4. 1 times 2 equals 2. Add the 0. 2 times 1 equals 2. And 1 times 1 equals 1. So 4, 4, and 1. That took me about 5 seconds. Here's the new way. Dun, 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 dun. 12 times 12, what does that equal? 6 plus 6, and 6 plus 6, 2 times 6, 2 times 6, 24 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2, 24 minus 12, 24 minus 12. Box these, and you get 12 for each one. 12 times 12, 12 times 12, which also equals 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2. So also equal 12, 12, 12, 12. Use the sticks and circles. 1 stick equals 10, and 2 dots equal 2. 12, 12, 12, 12, and then you use this graph to fill in 12 circles, and then you go all the way back up to the equation. 2 times 2 equals 4, break that down. 1 plus 1 equals 2, times 1 plus 1 equals 2, makes it 2 times 2 equals 4, and then you take the next one, cross that out, take the next one, 2 times 1, or I put 1 times 2 actually, but that equals 2. 0 plus 1 equals 1, times 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 1 times 2 will equal 2. I didn't even bother doing the rest of it, so there would be a lot more. Then you end up 24 plus 120, 20 plus 4, and 100 plus 20. 20 plus 100 equals 120, and 20 plus 4 equals 24. And here we go. 4 plus 0 equals 4, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and plus 1 equals 1, getting a total of 144. That took a minute and a half just to read it, and not just to do it. This took me 15 minutes. And that's the simple multiplication, the simple stuff that we should be not learning. Again, another man. But look at this. This takes my whole whiteboard. Talk to the guy in the mirror, would you, right now? Oh, yep, right there. This is ruining us already, and don't even get me started into the 6th, 7th, 8th grade math, because this is all just kindergarten and all of that. But wait until we dive right in, right now. Let's do a simple variable equation for the old math. Start the clock. 7 minus 3 equals 4, divided by 2 equals 2, x equals 2. 6 seconds. Who's ready for the new math? Let me show you. 2x plus 3 equals 7. Break down 4 plus 3, and that relates to 3. 1 plus 2, that relates to 2. What is the x? 2x plus 3 equals 7 was expanded. 2 times x plus 3 equals 7. And we'll put it back in order. 2x plus 3 equals 7. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. X3 out, and then you have 2x equals 4 divided by 2. Equals 2. Oh, I hate this thing right here. But then you have to find the common factor here. 2 plus 2, 6 minus 2, 8 divided by 2, and 2 times 2. Which number appears the most? Which happens to be 2. So you divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. X equals 2. What? This also took me a minute and a half to explain, and 5 minutes to 10 minutes to write out. This is burning my night, but this is where I should leave you right now. And when I get into high school, I will show you more. Old versus new math. I can do old math. No one can do new math. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you like the old math or the new math? Literally, I'm just showing you what new math looks like from my own experience. And you may feel the same way too, but this, not happy. Thank you for watching the vlog today, guys. I will be back tomorrow with I Hate Wednesdays. We'll see what we can pull out of that day, as I know it's going to be a long one. Bye!